Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
Welcome, future Clash Royale champions. This game combines the thrill of real-time strategy with collecting powerful cards. Your objective is simple. Use your unique deck to crush your opponent's towers before they destroy yours. It's a super engaging game, easy to start playing, but it offers deep strategies to master over time. Your deck is your army, a collection of 8 powerful cards. You'll want a good balance of troops, spells, and perhaps a building or two. Think about having a tank card to soak up damage, some damage dealers behind it, and a spell for emergencies. A balanced deck will give you the best chance to win your early battles. In Clash Royale, timing and elixir management are everything. Don't just throw cards down. Try to counter your opponent's moves efficiently to gain an elixir lead. Protect your towers first, and then build up a powerful push. Remember to support your tanking units with ranged attackers or splash damage. This creates a much stronger attack. As a beginner, some cards are incredibly useful and forgiving. The Knight is an amazing all-rounder, a solid tank that provides good value. Archers offer versatile ranged damage, perfect for backing up your pushes or defending against air troops. Don't forget the Fireball. It's a great spell for taking out groups of enemies or finishing off a tower. These cards form a strong foundation for any beginner deck. To truly improve, consider joining a clan. Clans allow you to request cards, helping you upgrade faster and participate in fun clan battles. Also, check out TV Royale. It's a fantastic way to see how top players use different cards and strategies. Finally, don't be afraid to experiment in friendly battles with your clan mates. This is how you really discover what works for your play style.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.